In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Excel charts into a slide in PowerPoint. This is a handy skill, especially when you need to present data that's clear, dynamic, and easy to update. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Excel file. It could be any file that contains the chart you wish to transfer. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific chart area that you'd like to embed into your PowerPoint presentation. To copy the chart, you can simply right-click on the chart area. This action brings up a menu where you will choose the copy option, or if you prefer shortcuts, pressing Ctrl and C together on your keyboard does the trick nicely on Windows. Copying the chart this way places it and all its visual details onto your clipboard, ready to move to your presentation slide. Next, move over to PowerPoint, open your presentation, and navigate to the slide where the chart will fit best. Once you're on the right slide, right-click on the slide's empty area. This right-click brings up another menu crucial for your next decision. PowerPoint offers several paste options which can be accessed under the Paste Options section. Now here's where you need to make an informed choice. You have two main options if you're linking. The first is Use Destination Theme and Link Data. This is a fantastic choice if you're aiming for cohesiveness between your PowerPoint presentation style and the chart's appearance. By selecting this, the chart will seamlessly adopt your presentation theme's colors, fonts, and overall look, all while staying linked to the original Excel data. It's a great way to maintain a unified visual consistency across your presentation. Alternatively, perhaps the original design of your Excel chart is exactly how you want it. In this case, the Keep Source Formatting and Link Data option is your best bet. This option keeps the original Excel charts formatting intact, which includes all colors and fonts just as you designed them in Excel. Furthermore, it still links the chart to your Excel data, ensuring any updates in your dataset automatically reflect in your PowerPoint chart. Once you've chosen the option that best fits your needs, just click on the icon representing your selection. Congratulations, your chart is now embedded and linked within your PowerPoint slide. This ensures your presentation dynamic and data-driven and remains effortlessly updated with the changes you make in your Excel file. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to embed Excel charts into PowerPoint slides. Join me next time for more useful tips. Until then, happy presenting.